Hello, I'm Dr. Boone. I've been a physician for over 15 years, specializing in senior health. Today, I want to talk to you about something that sounds simple, but can have a profound impact on your vision, memory, and blood pressure. This story begins with one of my patients. Let's call him Richard. He's 72 years old, retired, and living with early-stage memory issues, unstable blood pressure, and increasingly blurry vision. Now, I'm not claiming any miracle, but what we found, and what he began drinking every morning, was backed by science and had a clear effect on his body. Within a few weeks, his focus returned, his eyesight improved, and his blood pressure stabilized. Not from pills, not from expensive treatments, but from a simple, natural drink made from ingredients already sitting in your kitchen. Let me walk you through what it is and why it works, using real medical reasoning. But before I do, a very important note. Always consult your physician before adding any new food or supplement to your routine, especially if you're on medication or managing a condition. Now, let's talk about what this drink actually contains and how each ingredient targets key problems that many seniors face after 60. Declining ocular health, cognitive fatigue, and fluctuating blood pressure. We'll break this down ingredient by ingredient in the next chapters. Why each one matters, what studies support it, and how to prepare the drink safely and effectively. So if you're ready to learn how a glass of something so simple can support your eyes, your brain, and your heart, keep watching. I'm Dr. Boone. Let's begin. Let's begin with what might seem too basic to be powerful. A glass of warm water with lemon and a teaspoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Many of you have heard about this combination, but let me explain why it matters, especially after the age of 60, when our metabolism, blood flow, and nutrient absorption begin to decline. Cognitive benefits. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been shown in clinical studies to help regulate blood sugar spikes after meals. Why is that important for your brain? When your blood sugar surges and crashes repeatedly, it affects your mental clarity. This is known as postprandial brain fog, and many seniors mistake it for memory loss or early dementia. ACV may blunt those spikes, helping your brain receive a steady flow of glucose, which is its main source of energy. One small 2019 study published in the European Journal of Nutrition showed that participants who consumed vinegar before a meal had reduced post-meal glucose levels, a potential aid in maintaining mental sharpness. Vision support now. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, but more importantly, it supports collagen production, which is essential for the tiny capillaries in your retina, the part of your eye responsible for clear central vision. Several population-based studies suggest that a diet rich in vitamin C and antioxidants can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, the leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Also, the hydration from warm water improves circulation, helping blood and nutrients reach the eyes and brain more efficiently. Our blood pressure support. Here's where the combination really shines. The potassium found in lemon can help counteract excess sodium in your diet, a major factor in high blood pressure. Apple cider vinegar, on the other hand, has been linked in some animal studies to lowered blood pressure, likely due to its impact on the renin-angiotensin system. While human studies are limited, anecdotal results from patients like Richard suggest a mild, consistent drop in morning blood pressure readings after regular use. How to make it. 1 cup of warm, not hot, water, juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Optional. A tiny pinch of cinnamon to help further regulate blood sugar. Sip this slowly on an empty stomach, ideally 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. But again, a reminder, if you're on medications for blood pressure or diabetes, Consult your doctor before starting this routine. ACV may interact with diuretics or insulin. Now let's add something green and deeply powerful: fresh spinach. Most people don't realize this, but spinach is one of the richest sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidant carotenoids that are absolutely critical for retinal health and cognitive function, especially in seniors. Let me break this down for you. Eye protection. Lutein and zeaxanthin. After the age of 60, the cells in the eye, especially in the macula, which controls central vision, are under constant stress from light exposure and oxidative damage. Lutein and zeaxanthin accumulate in the macula, forming what's known as the macular pigment. They act as a natural sunblock, shielding the retina from harmful blue light and reducing inflammation in the eye. In fact, the ARIDS-2 clinical trial, a landmark study sponsored by the National Eye Institute, found that lutein and zeaxanthin supplementation significantly slowed the progression of age-related macular degeneration in people at risk. Spinach delivers both of these in natural form. And here's the important part: they're fat-soluble, meaning they need to be taken with a small amount of healthy fat for proper absorption, like a few drops of extra virgin olive oil, avocado, or a nut butter. Brain benefits: blood flow and neuroprotection. But spinach doesn't just help your vision. It also protects your brain. It's rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This compound helps dilate blood vessels, improving oxygen-rich blood flow to the brain. That's key in older adults, who often experience cerebral hypoperfusion, a slow, subtle decline in brain blood supply. Spinach also provides folate, vitamin K, and plant-based antioxidants, all of which support long-term neuronal health and memory function. Blood pressure benefits. And yes, spinach also contributes to lowering blood pressure. The same nitrates that support brain flow also relax blood vessels throughout the body. One study published in Clinical Nutrition Research in 2015 showed that just 7 days of high-nitrate vegetable intake, including spinach, led to significant drops in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. How to use it: take one small handful, about 1/2 cup, of fresh spinach. Blend it into your morning drink with warm water and lemon ACV. Add a small fat source to enhance absorption, such as 1/2 teaspoon olive oil or 2 to 3 almonds. Blend until smooth and drink immediately. Oxidation reduces nutrient content over time. Again, this is gentle on your system, but always speak to your physician if you're on blood thinners like warfarin, as spinach is high in vitamin K, which can interfere with medication. Now we introduce something that's been used in both traditional Eastern medicine and modern clinical practice: Ginkgo biloba. You may have heard of Ginkgo as a brain booster, but what you may not know is that it has real, peer-reviewed scientific backing. For seniors, it offers measurable benefits for blood circulation, memory recall, and mental focus, especially when added in small, consistent doses. Let's examine what makes Ginkgo so effective and how to use it safely. Brain health and cognitive function. Ginkgo works by improving blood flow, especially to the brain. As we age, many of us experience reduced cerebral blood perfusion, less oxygen and nutrients reaching brain tissue. Ginkgo contains compounds called terpenoids and flavonoids, which dilate blood vessels and make blood less sticky. This increases circulation to delicate capillaries in the brain. A 2010 meta-analysis in psychopharmacology reviewed dozens of randomized controlled trials and found that standardized Ginkgo biloba extract, particularly EGB 761, improved memory and executive function in older adults, especially those with mild cognitive impairment. This makes it ideal for seniors dealing with forgetfulness, lack of focus, or mental fatigue. Visual support. Ginkgo's impact on microcirculation may also help the retina by improving oxygen delivery to eye tissue, particularly in cases of glaucoma or retinal ischemia. While more human studies are needed, Its effects on tiny blood vessels are well documented. Heartbreak, blood pressure, and circulation. Interestingly, ginkgo also has mild vasodilating properties, meaning it can help lower blood pressure slightly, especially in those with elevated stress or age-related vascular stiffness. It's not a substitute for blood pressure medication, but in gentle doses, it may support healthier vessel tone and help reduce occasional dizziness related to poor circulation. How to use it? Add just a pinch, 1/8 teaspoon of high-quality dried ginkgo biloba powder to your blended drink. Use once daily, ideally in the morning. Do not exceed recommended amounts, and avoid combining with blood thinners unless medically advised. Important medical note: ginkgo can interact with blood thinners, aspirin, and anticoagulant medications. Always speak with your physician before adding ginkgo to your routine, especially if you're taking medication for heart conditions or have bleeding risks. Now let's complete this powerful morning drink with a final ingredient that your body needs daily, especially after 60. It's flaxseed. Just 1 teaspoon of ground flaxseed added to your morning drink can make a real difference. Let me explain why. Supports blood pressure. Flaxseed is one of the richest natural sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. These healthy fats support the flexibility of blood vessels and may help lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure. A 2013 study in the Hypertension Journal found that people with high blood pressure who consumed flaxseed daily for 6 months saw a significant reduction in their blood pressure, some by as much as 10 millimeters per mercury. That's a big deal. Supports the brain. Your brain is made of fat, and it runs best on healthy fats. The ALA in flaxseed helps reduce inflammation in the brain, improves blood flow, and may protect against age-related memory loss. It also contains lignans, plant compounds that act as antioxidants. These support your brain cells and help slow down mental aging. Good for the eyes. Flaxseed's omega-3s also help your eye health, especially if you suffer from dry eyes or tired vision. They support tear production and nourish the blood vessels that supply the retina. Easy to add. Use 1 teaspoon of ground flaxseed, not whole flax seeds. They're harder to digest. Blend it into your drink with the other ingredients. Drink it fresh, as ground flaxseed can go rancid if left out. Medical note: if you're taking blood thinners or cholesterol-lowering drugs, talk to your doctor before adding flaxseed. It can affect how your body absorbs certain medications. Now that we've covered all the ingredients, let me show you exactly how to make this morning drink at home. Start with 1 cup of warm water. Not boiling, just warm enough to be gentle on your stomach. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Add 1 teaspoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Stir it well. Next, take a small handful of fresh spinach, about half a cup, and add it to the blender. Then add your warm lemon water with ACV to the blender. Now sprinkle in just a pinch, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of dried ginkgo biloba powder. Be careful not to overdo this. A little goes a long way. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of ground flaxseed. Optional, but helpful. You can also add half a teaspoon of olive oil or a few almonds to help absorb the nutrients. Blend everything for 15 to 20 seconds until smooth. Pour it into a glass and drink it slowly, ideally on an empty stomach, about 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. That's it, just 1 glass each morning. Most people start to feel a difference within 2 to 3 weeks. Sharper focus, less morning dizziness, more stable blood pressure, and even clearer vision over time. But remember, this is not a cure or a replacement for medical treatment. It's a gentle, natural support for your body, something you can do each day with simple ingredients. And most importantly, always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement or food routine, especially if you're on medication. I'm Dr. Boone, and I hope this simple drink brings you the support and energy your body deserves. Take care and stay well.